This is a video that shows an exercise. The exercise is 4.1 and the exercise is from NX12. However, the software I'm using is the 2007 version, student version. And in the NX12, the exercise calls for a certain operation, and the operation that is calling for is let's see, what is it? The operation is from mill counter type, and then the subtype is calling for fixed counter. But in the newer version of NX, is not called fixed counter. It's called drive curve. And when you read here, you can actually read that this option can be used to do engraving, right? So the other information is not really important, but I'm gonna explain that the program is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the tool is the ball end mill, the geometry is a workpiece, and the method is mill finish. And then on step number 2 is asking to go into the method, drive method of the operation. In this case is when you go to it's asking to use curve point method, and when you go into the method, you can actually see that it's already selected, right? And then when we go into edit, that's where we can start selecting the geometry. In this case, the geometry is the lettering or the text. We're gonna select the letter Z, right? And then we are going to expand. Let's see, let's move this here so we can see it better. And we're gonna also expand this. We can see that we have one set here, so we're gonna add another set. The other set is gonna be the outside of the letter A, and now we have 2 sets here. And then we're gonna add another set. The next set is gonna be the inside of the letter A, and we're gonna add one more set, which is the outside of the letter P. And then we're gonna add one more set, which is going to be the inside of the letter P. Okay, once we have those sets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we go back to the main dialog box, and here in geometry we are going to select the surfaces on which we want the text to be engraved. So we want this surface, and this one, this one, this one, and obviously we want this one. These maybe not, but we're just gonna select them just in case, and we're gonna say okay. And when we click here on the display, we're gonna see the surfaces that we have selected. And then here on part stock we're gonna type minus 0.01, which is 10 thousandths. And then we have to make sure that the number is there, and then we can just generate the cat or generate the toolpath, and there it is. So now we're just gonna make the part itself, we're gonna make it invisible. We're gonna unselect here, and this is how the toolpath looks. And we are going to just see the we're gonna see the verification. Okay, we're gonna verify. We're gonna go to 3D dynamic, and we're just going to click on play, and that's it. That's how it's going to look. And if you notice, when I click on play, the engraving was already there, and the reason is because there is already one CAD that I have created. So there are actually two identical CADs, and that's basically it. This is the end of the video, and the video is just to show the difference between Siemens NX and Siemens 2007, the differences when it comes to follow the steps to create this engraving on this part. And that's it for this video.